Today, we bring you the process by which your goods are packaged. Too many orders recently. Please ignore our messy warehouse. Now, shall we see how to pack the goods? First up is our first contestant, the insulated heater. Our staff first wrapped it with white pearl cotton and then glued it firmly with Scotch tape. The two ends were also protected. Look, first one side, and then the other. Finally, put them into eco-friendly cardboard boxes. Seal them with the logo tape of Udo Electronics. Alright, the goods are ready to be shipped. Next up, our favorite guest, the fan heater. The same technique, the same packaging mode. The difference is the mood of packaging each product. Ha ha ha, this product is so simple to wrap. The edge of the package is a little long. We need to cut it off. Kucha, kucha, kucha. Okay, tidy up this mess of wires and seal it up. The box is packed. The order label is attached. Finally, the customer's order is completed and ready to be shipped. And finally, our heating plate, small PTC heater. This small product needs to be put in a small foam bag first. Seal it with Scotch tape. Write down the voltage and temperature of this product for customers to see. Cut it out, Tilda. Stick it on. Finally, the same steps to end the packaging show. Recently, a lot of orders. You are interested in our products. Welcome to our AliExpress, Ali International Station. That's all for today's program. See you next time.